Hello everyone, you are welcome to Shitu Mathematics class. In today's tutorial today we are going to be uh, finding the derivative of x to power 3 with respect to x. So therefore from here you can see that this function is actually the function of the form y equals to x to power n. And from the last video I told you that to find the derivative of this kind of function, so it's going to be dy, okay, dx equals to n multiplying the x to power n minus 1. So therefore, so we try to relate this equation with having y equals to x to power 3. Okay, so here where our n is equals to 3. Okay, so now from there, so now to now find the derivative of this function with respect to x, so this is going to be applying this formula. This is going to be 3 becoming the constant coefficient, then multiply by x, then we have 3, then remove 1 from 3, so we are going to be having this to be 3x squared. Okay, so finally we conclude that dy dx is equals to what? 3x squared. Okay, and that is the solution to the problem. Thank you for watching. Bye.